Do your kids love tools? Watch and learn how to use the claw end of hammers with us. We all know that our little ones excel at using the hammer's head, but when do they really get the opportunity to learn to use the claw end? Let's teach them how by creating a prop using these materials. Once you've selected your box, you will want to secure any loose interior flaps. This will allow the nails to break through the cardboard with no barriers. Then you close the box and cover with construction paper. Here, I added a cheap sheet of patterned paper to create the wood grain effect. Next, use a toothpick to get the holes started. Poke the toothpick through and work it around a bit to get the opening you need. Then, further expand those holes with the item you're using as nails. I used the inner part of medicine syringes, but you could also use golf tees. And now it is time to learn and play.
Slide the claw in like this, and then pull.
Explain, demonstrate, and encourage. This is one of my son's favorite projects I've made for him. He asks me every single day to play his hammer game.
Nice work.
To see more projects like this one, subscribe to my YouTube at Allison's Wonderland.